I printed 3 random things for my husband. Let's see if he likes them. I started off in Bamboo Handy, just going to the trending section, just seeing what they had. What I liked is this puffer koozie. I thought he'd really like this because it's kind of cool. I was happy with the pictures that was posted under the review section, so I was like, yeah, let's give this one a try. Blue is his favorite color, so this is just me picking the filament that I wanted to use to make this little koozie for him. I also liked that this print was only a 4.5 hour print, give or take, and I was trying to knock this out within 1 day, and I didn't want something taking up my printer for longer than 5 hours. Tested it. It fit a water bottle pretty good, even though these are for cans, but I was happy with the result. It came out really nice. And it's cute. Look at that. It's just chilling. My husband loves fidgets, and I came across this infinity cube, so I figured this would be perfect to print. We're going to continue the same theme and continue with the blue filament for him as well. I like that this print was only 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I went ahead and sent it on over. Look at that. It looks really nice. Couldn't decide on which one I wanted to do, but for the first one I did a single color instead of the multicolor. It came out great, except as it was printing the first couple layers, it looks like it shifted. So it had that slight defect here. But I moved on to the next print anyway. This one, my husband loves One Piece, and lately he's been in the whole new episodes of One Piece. So I came across this Luffy figurine and was like, yeah, he gonna love this one. This one came out really nice. I would have done multicolor, but it would have took like 16 hours, and I was like, no thank you. But also I lost a piece of the flames in the supports, but that's okay.
Reprint this.
And I went ahead and reprinted the infinity cube and picked the tricolor one, and this looks a lot better. And this is what we got. Let's get his reaction.
I have those.
These bananas?
Yes.
That's cool.
This one.
Oh, snap. My boy Luffy. That's hard.
Okay. Next is this one. That one's already a win. Okay.
My bad.
Nope, you're on. The last but not least is that one.
That's the boy. Is he supposed to like sit in here?
No. Get the water bottle. Put the water bottle inside.
That's dope. Okay.
What's the verdict? What's the verdict?
That's tough. I like that.
I need you to rate. These are just random stuff. I was on Maker's World, and I just found random stuff.
Okay.
What's the verdict? What do you think?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
I'm gonna keep messing with this all day.
Okay. What
I'll give you 8 because you know I'm gonna get robbed for it.
Yeah, the kids are gonna take it. What about this one?
A 9 out of 10.
You said 9 out of 10?
Yeah, that's dope.
Okay.
Can't take it to work because it'll get dusty, but
It fits the regular cans too.
Like when I pick my desk up.
That thing chilling.
And then 10 out of 10, of course, is Luffy.
Because it's Luffy.
It's Luffy.
Yeah, I wish I would have did the multicolor one, but that would have took like 4 days.
It's worth it.
This was a fun challenge. My husband really enjoyed himself.
Thumbs up.
Comment below what you want to see next. See you next time.